From actionable ops, here's how to run many Hermes agents at once on one machine. Each profile gets its own tokens, sessions, and memory. You want this set up when you run 2 or more Hermes agents that should all be online at the same time. A personal assistant on one bot and a coding agent on another. One agent per family member. Sandbox plus production. Each profile already gets its own tokens, sessions, and memory. Create a profile, configure it, then install its gateway as a managed service and start it. Each profile installs its own service, named gateway-the profile name, so installations never clash. They run as independent processes and restart automatically on crash and on login. To act across every profile at once, wrap the single profile commands in a short shell loop saved as Hermes-gateways. Then Hermes-gateways start, status, or restart hits every configured profile. The default profile is targeted with plain Hermes gateway, no -p, and the wrapper handles both forms. One process per profile is the default and the right choice for most setups. But on a host with many profiles, you can opt into a single multiplexing gateway instead. The default profile becomes the sole inbound process and serves messages for every profile on the box. It is off by default. To turn it on, set gateway.multiplex_profiles to true on the default profile and restart its gateway. Secondary profiles must not start their own gateway, and HTTP platforms are reached through a /p/profile prefix on the one shared listener. Each turn still resolves the routed profile's own config and keys. A few rules keep this safe. Each profile must use its own bot token per platform, or the second gateway refuses to start and names the conflict. To keep the host awake, use Caffeinate on macOS, and on Linux, enable lingering so your user services keep running after logout and reboot. Many agents, one machine. Run a process per profile, or multiplex them all behind one. For more Hermes how-tos, go to actionableops.com.